Never eat eggs. This causes cancer and dementia. Top 3. Best and worst food recipes. Did you know that eating eggs could be putting your health at risk? You heard that right. Some commonly consumed foods can actually be detrimental to your health, increasing your risk of serious conditions like cancer and dementia. What you put into your body matters, and it's time to take control of your health by making informed food choices. Today, we're diving into the top 3 best and worst food recipes that could impact your health. We'll break down the ingredients, explain why they're good or bad for you, and equip you with the knowledge to make healthier choices every day. Get ready to transform your diet and revolutionize your health. Worst food recipe number 1, the Double Trouble Burger. Let's kick things off with a recipe that's as tempting as it is terrifying for your health. The Double Trouble Burger. We've all been there, craving that juicy double patty, melted cheese, and fluffy bun. But what seems like a satisfying meal is actually a recipe for disaster. First up, we have the processed meat patties. These bad boys are loaded with saturated fat, which can clog your arteries and increase your risk of heart disease. Not to mention, the nitrates used to preserve them have been linked to certain types of cancer. Then comes the processed cheese, a gooey concoction that's more about artificial flavor than actual nutrition. This processed product lacks the beneficial nutrients found in real cheese and is often high in sodium, which can lead to high blood pressure. And let's not forget the white bread bun, a refined carbohydrate that spikes your blood sugar levels, leaving you feeling sluggish and craving more unhealthy foods. This roller coaster of blood sugar is a recipe for insulin resistance, weight gain, and even type 2 diabetes. But wait, there's more. The Double Trouble Burger is often accompanied by a mountain of greasy fries. These deep-fried potatoes are loaded with trans fats, one of the worst types of fat you can consume. Trans fats raise your bad cholesterol levels, lower your good cholesterol levels, and significantly increase your risk of heart disease. To top it all off, this meal is often washed down with a sugary soda, a beverage that's been linked to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and even tooth decay. So the next time you're craving a Double Trouble Burger, remember what you're really putting into your body. It's a recipe for disaster, and there are far healthier and tastier options available. Worst food recipe number 2, the Sugar Bomb cereal. Let's face it, breakfast cereals are often marketed as healthy and convenient options, especially for kids. But don't let the colorful packaging and cartoon characters fool you. Some cereals are loaded with sugar and refined carbohydrates, making them a terrible way to start your day. Imagine this. A bowl filled with brightly colored sugary cereal shapes swimming in milk. Sounds tempting, right? But what you're really looking at is a sugar bomb waiting to explode in your body. Many popular breakfast cereals are packed with added sugar, exceeding the recommended daily intake in just one serving. This sugar rush sends your blood sugar levels soaring, leading to an energy crash later on. It's like riding a roller coaster of energy highs and lows throughout the day. But it's not just the added sugar that's the problem. These cereals are often made with refined grains, stripped of their fiber and nutrients during processing. This lack of fiber means your body digests them quickly, leading to those dreaded blood sugar spikes and crashes. And as if that wasn't bad enough, some cereals are also high in unhealthy fats, further contributing to weight gain, heart disease, and other health problems. Choosing a healthy breakfast sets the tone for the entire day. Instead of reaching for a sugar bomb cereal, opt for whole grain options with low sugar content and plenty of fiber. Worst food recipe number 3, the Hidden Danger smoothie. Smoothies have gained immense popularity as a quick and healthy meal replacement or snack. While they can be a fantastic way to pack in fruits, vegetables, and nutrients, not all smoothies are created equal. In fact, some can be downright dangerous for your health, hiding a surprising amount of sugar and unhealthy ingredients. Imagine this. You're at your local smoothie shop, enticed by the promise of a refreshing and healthy treat. You order a vibrant green smoothie, expecting a powerhouse of vitamins and antioxidants. But what you might not realize is that this seemingly innocent drink could be loaded with hidden sugars, excessive calories, and unhealthy additives. Many commercially prepared smoothies, especially those found in shopping malls or fast food chains, are often packed with sugary fruit juices, flavored syrups, and even frozen yogurt or ice cream. These added sugars contribute to a host of health problems, including weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Furthermore, some smoothies are made with low-quality protein powders, artificial sweeteners, and other additives that can be detrimental to your health. These ingredients may provide a quick energy boost, but lack the nutritional value of whole foods and can even disrupt your gut health. The key to a truly healthy smoothie is to make it yourself at home, using fresh or frozen fruits, vegetables, unsweetened yogurt or milk, and healthy fats like avocado or nut butter. By controlling the ingredients, you can ensure that your smoothie is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients and free from hidden dangers. And Chapter 4, Best Food Recipe. Number 1, the brain-boosting salmon bowl. Let's shift gears now and dive into the delicious world of healthy eating with a recipe that's as good for your taste buds as it is for your brain. The brain-boosting salmon bowl. This vibrant and flavorful dish is packed with nutrients that support cognitive function, reduce inflammation, and boost your overall health. Imagine this: a colorful bowl filled with flaky grilled salmon, a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and cognitive function. Omega-3s have been shown to improve memory, focus, and even protect against age-related cognitive decline. Next, we add a generous serving of leafy green vegetables like spinach or kale, packed with antioxidants and vitamins that protect your brain cells from damage. These greens are also a good source of folate, a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in cognitive function. To add a boost of fiber and complex carbohydrates, we include a serving of quinoa, a complete protein that provides sustained energy and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Quinoa is also a good source of iron, which is essential for oxygen transport to the brain. For a dose of healthy fats and antioxidants, we top our bowl with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of chopped walnuts. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been linked to improved heart health and cognitive function. Walnuts are a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects brain cells from damage. Finally, we add a squeeze of lemon juice for a burst of flavor and vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports immune function and protects against cell damage. Chapter 5, Best Food Recipe. Number 2, the immunity-boosting lentil soup. As we navigate the challenges of modern life, maintaining a strong immune system has never been more critical. And what better way to support your body's natural defenses than with a hearty and flavorful bowl of immunity-boosting lentil soup? This nutrient-rich soup is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that bolster your immune system and keep you feeling your best. Imagine this: a steaming bowl of lentil soup, simmered to perfection with aromatic vegetables and warming spices. Lentils, the star of this dish, are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, fiber, and essential minerals like iron and zinc. Iron plays a crucial role in oxygen transport, while zinc is essential for immune function and wound healing. Next, we add a medley of colorful vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, each contributing their unique blend of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which our bodies convert to vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy skin and mucous membranes, our first line of defense against infection. To enhance the flavor and immune-boosting properties of our soup, we add a blend of warming spices like turmeric, ginger, and garlic. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that has been shown to boost immune function and protect against chronic diseases. Ginger is known for its anti-nausea and digestive benefits, but it also possesses potent anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that has been shown to have antiviral and antibacterial properties. This immunity-boosting lentil soup is not only delicious and nourishing, but also incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it as a light lunch, a hearty dinner, or even a comforting snack. Chapter 6, Best Food Recipe. Number 3, the gut-healthy overnight oats. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to neglect our gut health. A healthy gut is essential for overall well-being, influencing digestion, immunity, and mental health. Our gut-healthy overnight oats nourish your gut microbiome and set you up for a day of digestive bliss. Imagine a jar filled with creamy oats, a symphony of textures and flavors promoting a healthy gut. Oats are a fantastic source of prebiotic fiber, feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Chia seeds packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids enhance gut health. Adding yogurt introduces probiotics, live bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome. A drizzle of honey, a natural prebiotic, feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Finally, top with berries, rich in antioxidants and fiber, promoting beneficial gut bacteria growth. So there you have it, the top 3 best and worst food recipes for your health. Remember, the choices you make about what you eat have a direct impact on your physical and mental well-being. By incorporating more whole, unprocessed foods into your diet and limiting your intake of processed foods, added sugars, and unhealthy fats, you can significantly reduce your risk of chronic diseases and improve your overall health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy.